Welcome this video. Pouch in two sunroof convincing. A completed guest convert a screen pouch in the sunroof is one of the most reward house project a homeowner. Your rule whether you sleep a keep read note planted field literate can excellent living room phone and natural lights are often both aesthetic appeal and benefit. We walk that through even step to the process for plant to finally finish work your convince your place to keep decoration your need to make and type functional transforming then convince a pouch to a sunroof a screen or cover one provide the natural base of a sunroof. It is faster and most effective than bring both a roof from screen. Here are some charm realistic for make switch living space. Sunroof adds square fit again of your home, which can be used for relax, entertainment, or even a home office. Natural lights